All right, so what's up, everybody? Just real quick, we'll look at the big picture. Um, right now, we've had a good bit of sell off this morning, uh, but we haven't we're yeah, I think it's dropping right now. Hold on, let me look at it. Just want to see what's going. Last time it was just hanging around. Last time I looked. Okay. All right, so we could have some more sell off today. We'll look at the 5 minute chart in a minute, but you see, we've been in this area before, so now we're retesting that the previous the low. Um, it's a good chance it can break through here with all the sentiment in the market today, and with how much we're visiting this 200 moving average. But of course, we got to be ready for anything. Um, but yeah, pretty so far. The first hour was kind of interesting. We chopped around for a bit, and then we had a nice little drop that I was able to take advantage of. Um, in the top step account, I took this trade. I took this short here, hit the target. Stayed patient, let it play out, and that was the only trade I made in this account. So I made $400 on that, and I didn't like the price action after that. So I wasn't trying to get to the $2,000 dollar mark in this account, so I can at least get to the next step. Look, now we're breaking lower now. Yep. So I didn't push it today in this account. I could have, if I would have kept trading, I would have had an entry here, an entry there. It would have ate right into the profits that I made from this nice little drop here. So um, let's see, no complaints. I'm not complaining at all. It's pretty good to have a decent little step towards the goal. So I didn't take any trades in the live account. Um, I was paper trading until I realized, like, I'm kind of maybe I'm paper trading too much. I'm getting a little too comfortable paper trading. So I've made a rule to where I can't make any more paper trades because I need to start. Um, it's kind of keeping me from going back to using live money. So I need to work on my patience and my discipline. And the only way I'm going to do that is if I don't keep just paper trading all the time, because it's easy to take a trade and be reckless. It's easy to get reckless and you don't test your patience, or you don't build that patience muscle or anything if you keep paper trading the whole time. So, but once I went back live into my cash account, um, I didn't have any. There was no more setups. I could have. I was looking at the Russell over there. Um, I don't have it over here. Let's see. Maybe I could pull it up here. As I did paper trade this today, and I paper traded the Nasdaq based off the 1 minute, and it was all over the place. So if I would have traded that live today, it just there was no really good setups when I was paper trading it, and it didn't look good. But I did paper trade this one, and I had some good trades in the paper trading it. But I was going to take, what's the area? Goodness, let me go back to the mouse on the daily again. Should be on the 1 minute. All right. So I was going to take this one right here, but I hesitated, and it dropped on me, and I just didn't get back in it. I didn't want to chase it. That's what's gotten me um, in trouble over the last couple of weeks. From I missed the initial entry, then I tried to get back in, but then that's in Nasdaq. So what I realized about the Russell, even though there's a much less volume than, like, say, the Nasdaq and the S&P, um, which probably is a good thing, because the Russell tends to have a more stable movement. Like, whereas Nasdaq, this will be all over the place. You have wicks all over the place, and then it'll pop. But Russell tends to not have so many sporadic wicks so much. So that's what I've been looking at. And then plus, over. So I use AMP futures for my live account, and the margin requirement for them is lower than, like, for Russell it's only $300. That's the day trading margin requirement. So you know, with a low account, that with a low account, that helps a lot. And you get pretty good movement. It has the same tick value as the Nasdaq and everything. So that's what I've been looking into day trading for a while, because I, just to get build my confidence back, and and get back in the game from taking those big losses this month. So anyway, that's where I'm at now. This should put me this day should put me at about I should have like another 1,500 to go to reach the goal, the $2,000 goal. Hopefully, we don't have any more drawbacks, like I've been experiencing lately, and I could just keep moving forward and get to step 2 of the combine. So that's how my day went. Leave your comments, questions below.